pastoral beauty of their environment is evident in this scene. Their homes consist of beehive-shaped huts constructed with tambuki grass. A cluster of these huts is known as a kraal, and it is when living in their kraals that the natives are happy and seen at their best. Like their manners, the Zulu dress is very modest. The women are creatures of beautiful carriage. Everything is carried on the head, and hard work does not appear to disagree with them. The men are polygamous, and they dress today in the same manner as their forefathers did in the days of Shaka. Shaka was the Hannibal of the Zulu race, and under his tyrannical rule, they became the most fearless and savage of all the Bantu peoples. So great was their power, and so much were Shaka's impish feared, that he named them Amazulu, the people of heaven. When a Zulu girl marries, her suitor has to pay a lobola, which is a number of head of cattle handed over to the girl's father. And it is our intention here to show you for the first time some details of a Zulu wedding.
Hey, what was that?
Kunjalo phela ngoba ngiyakutshela ngithi ngiyakufuna.
Hayi angifuni.
Cha, ukhuluma kwami mase ukubeka phansi ngikuthanda mina.
Hayi kokungona songadluli entombini zakithi ezindala.
Yebo nkosazana xhawula ngizwe. Kepha ungesanginika nebhengela leli ke ngifake.
Cha hamba.
Ngiye kuzona into yami kuzona. Oh ngiyathokoza nkosazana. Ngene endlini kwabo. Ngithi ke nasi inkabi. Amambe wakho. Yebo mlingani. Ngiyambonga umfana lo wakho nginika yena. Nami ngiyajabula kakhulu mlingani. Nazo izinkomo nginika zona. Umfana kaNemuzi 10 nesihlanu Nkosi ngiyabonga umfana wakho ngiyena. Ngiyamlobola ke ngezinkomo zokuba nami nginenjaba. Nami ngiyajabula isikhungo inkomo ngizidedela zonke nje.